Hi, in a previous video, I gave you the 5 critical mistakes often made in divorce. So I thought I would balance out the universe by giving you the 5 critical tips for when you go into divorce today. And the first one is to obtain as much financial information as you possibly can. And that means within reasonable means. Don't put yourself at risk by copying things that are, one, going to put you in an awkward situation with your spouse, or two, that are purposely denied access to you, meaning do not go on computers and hack another person's files. Those are inadmissible, and it will get you into trouble. So what you can make copies of, do. And it saves a lot of time in the information gathering process piece of the divorce. The second tip is to run a full credit report on yourself. It would be great if you could do it on your spouse too, but it's a little bit trickier to offer the personal information to do so. But by running the credit report on yourself, not only do you see all prior history of credit and outstanding balances in your name, you may find a few surprises, and undoubtedly there will be a few errors. It gives you an opportunity to correct the errors on your credit report while you still have the time to do so and while you are still married with joint income and joint credit access. The third idea is to look at debts that are outstanding to see whether or not you can manage them more efficiently, whether you can consolidate it to reduce overall debt costs, whether you can pay off debts while you still have joint funds, and whether or not you can negotiate debts for either reduced cost or greater payout scheduling. Debts are really important because no matter what happens in your divorce agreement as to who is allocated debts, legal titling is hugely important, and debts are governed by federal law more often than state law, and divorce agreements are governed by state law. So you have one that definitely supersedes the other. The very last tip, which is a really critical one, is if you need to build a professional team, start to reach out. Find out who's good, find out where your weaknesses and vulnerabilities are, and get support. I love the saying that you're worth it, and you're definitely worth it. So the last comment I would have is when you enter a divorce process, you need to prepare. And I hope that these tips help you. And I'm Lili Vasileff. I'm president of Wealth Protection Management. I'm based in Greenwich, Connecticut. I'm a divorce financial expert, and I work with clients and professionals across the country before, during, and after divorce. Thank you.